Cans, the manliest product out there.
Be a man with all the force of a great typhoon, mysterious as the dark side.
Welcome back to Are You Manning Up? Sponsored by Hulk Hands. Now we have our contestant, Louie. Now, Louie, on your last... Oh, I'm sorry. And this is my assistant, Anna Black. Now, Louie, on the last contest, you lost
500 points.
So, now, let's see if you can earn them back with the next
The
contest. Which is chivalry!
Alright, you dirtbag! See that door? Right there's the door. See that lady? Right there's the lady. You better do the right thing, because I've got some nice workouts waiting for you with 100-pound dumbbells.
Don't open it! It's alright! No, don't open it!
Oh, I must.
Oh gosh, I can't look. I can't walk.
Won't open.
It says push, not pull. What a man.
Congratulations! You just earned 100 points. Now, on the next challenge, let's see if you can earn even more points. And the next challenge is intellect!
Okay, this is what you practice all those finger push-ups for. That right there is a famous chess player worldwide. Now you can beat him. He's been beat before. Don't know when. Don't know why. He has. So you go and do it.
Well, I guess I'm gonna move the Black Knight to B6, whatever that means.
Congratulations! You just earned another 100 points! So now, you have the next challenge, which is brute strength!
For this challenge, there is a famous man-eating reptile. Here are your weapons. I've got one word for you. Annihilate. Show no mercy. Please still, please still.
Congratulations! You earned your 100 man points! So now, it is time for the final challenge with Rita! Well, obviously he didn't get those extra man points, so tune in next time to see more!